Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn something very important in English grammar, and that is noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. It means anything you can see, feel, or even think about can be a noun. Let's understand this with simple examples. A person can be a teacher, a doctor, or Ali. A place can be a school, a park, or a city. A thing can be a book, a table, or a mobile phone. Now, let's move to types of nouns. First, proper nouns. These are special names, like Ali, Pakistan, or London. Remember, proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Second, common nouns. These are general names, like boy, city, or school. Third, collective nouns. These are names of a group, like a team, a family, or a class. Fourth, abstract nouns. These are ideas or feelings, like love, happiness, or freedom. Fifth, material nouns. These are things we use to make objects, like gold, water, or wood. Now, let's do a quick practice. Is Ali a proper noun or a common noun? Yes, it is a proper noun. Is school a proper noun or a common noun? It is a common noun. Very good, students. Now you try. Can you give one example of an abstract noun and one collective noun? Keep practicing every day to improve your English. See you in the next class, where we will learn about pronouns.